a little bit. This is our view here in Redlands, California. Wow. This mountain, guys. So nice. The top part is snowy. So we are here in Redland, but we are heading to Yucaipa. It's just very close city, and this is very beautiful. We have mountains here. Well, we have a little change of plan before going to watch the game, Super Bowl. We are now going to have a little tour at the mountainside while waiting for the game and meeting Jeff's family. So now we are gonna bring you to one of the touristy spot here in Yucaipa. Very beautiful area and a touristy. So just hang in there and join us for our little tour here in the mountainside, countryside. This is a beautiful neighborhood.
Yeah, they got a nice golf course.
Yeah. Mountain. Look at the mountain. It's like,
It's a nice area.
yes. Scroll it up. Wow, look at the mountain. This must be an expensive area to live here. Yes, hon?
Yeah, maybe.
Expensive area to live here. We're just visiting and driving around. Very beautiful place in Yucaipa. Wow.
It looked very busy. There's a lot of. Holy cow! I didn't even see that.
Speed bump. There's another one right here.
Lose weight.
No, that's apple cider vinegar.
Ah. Let's look inside. Look at this one.
Yeah, that's.
A gallery. We are here. No, because the people are waiting for the.
There's another little area by the.
Okay, we are here at the famous apple place here. Beer.
There's a neat old antique store over there.
I like that old antique truck sitting up there.
Oh yeah.
That's one thing you see these older cars like it usually
They
there's no
don't,
rust
they don't
on
rust.
it.
Oh yeah. I'll put my face there, hon. I'll put my head there. Apples. We are open. Apple pies. Pure honey, hon. You'll be here tall. Oh, yeah.
Mike barely reached that one.
This is a girl. This is Amanda. That's a girl, hon. This one. You're short. All right. Go get me, hon. I go and that girl. This
Video
way,
or
this one here because
video or picture? Huh?
Yeah, that's just the right height.
Tuck your head down on there. Gotta hide your hand.
we'll go inside the snack bar. Parrish apple shed year round open cider. Oh yeah. I'm doing good. Oh yeah.
Used to come here all the time.
Sweethearts, like some fresh pressed apple cider?
Yes.
This is gonna be the best you ever had. This is the juice of our apples only. No added water, no added sugar. That good stuff?
Sell my bigger glasses.
I do, sir.
Want to taste it, darling?
Yeah.
Here you go, my
Apple cider.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Now, if you sweethearts need any help or have any questions, you let me know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Caramel apples all over
Apple butter. Mmm. Arkansas flax.
Look at this.
Fair.
Oh, real one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right. Long time
Back in
ago.
the day, there were actually some grizzly bears in these mountains.
Parrish Ranch. Ah.
Look at this. Wow.
They have pumpkin too.
Look here.
Ah.
Yeah.
What is that, Han?
Plus they got those horns that watch you.
They have lots of stuff. Oh, pure honey, guys. Really? Look at this pure honey. Mahal man, $22. But that's really real. Oh, I need some apron. Scarecrow. Hello, I'm here. Hello for sale. Hi, hello. Wine tasting. Oh yeah. Look at this apple. Apple plates.
And our sugar-free is absolutely delicious and does not taste.
Why? They have more stuff. Wildflower sage.
I don't have any white chocolate.
Not white chocolate, but like milk chocolate.
Yes,
is cute.
We'll just have a quarter pound of milk chocolate.
All right, sweetheart.
And then I'm gonna get a big old thickest apple juice
Okay.
in a cup. I can't, unfortunately.
Well, if y'all are gonna drink cider, it's cheaper to buy like a half a gallon.
Well, I'm
And
going
I'll
to,
give you
I'm
some
going back to
cups.
Ohio, so
Oh, all right, baby.
that makes it tough.
Oh, they have all this sweets. Hi. Look at this dessert.
See anything you like? What do you get? Just plain chocolate or what?
Milk chocolate.
Pistachio. Huh? What's that? 30, 50.
Sweetie,
And then a big glass of apple cider.
large glass, hot or cold, sweetheart?
Cold.
What's this chocolate? Haystacks. Something expensive.
You want to try one?
Which one?
You want the milk pecan? We'll split one of those.
Hmm?
You can
Much,
tell it's
darling.
homemade.
Is it
You want to try that one?
Thank you.
too much?
Let me go get you some.
Okay.
Which one you like? Mm-hmm. Thank you. I just like to have a little
I'm
bite.
gonna pick one of these. Almond ones. Those are $4 a piece.
Is that $4, Jet? Is that $4 a piece?
Well, we got cider too.
I said, mahal uy. Goats. Ah, it's fun to walk around this little business owned. There's more to see. Slides. Can we go out here? Oh yeah. I go out here. And I'm gonna be next to you. I'm gonna Hi guys, it's me. Tapos ito guys, posing lang ko. Alright guys, we are leaving the Parrish Pioneer Ranch, and I really enjoyed our visitor and very thankful our friend Jeff brought us here and walk us around the area. And we are now heading up to this mountain. There's more to come. Very interesting place we haven't been. Grateful he brought us here. So once again, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to click notification button for my upcomings.